Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to get the user ID in the registration page and also in the place order. So in the registration page, upon registering, after the user registers a new account, after the user creates a new account, we need to get their ID, the ID that was given by the database, which is going to be unique, and it's very, very important. So to get that ID, we can use, remember here in the place order, we have used this variable, which is this member variable, which is insert ID, to get the ID that was inserted, which is the user ID. So here in this case, it's going to be after we make sure that the account has been created, we can say user ID is equal to, and then statement stmt, and then insert ID, and then we need to insert the user ID in the session. So we need to say session and then user underscore ID, and here we can say user ID. In the login page, we already have the user ID. We already got the user ID upon logging the user in. In the place order, remember in the place order, I have said here that the user ID is gonna be 1 just for testing, and just for not leaving it empty, because we couldn't leave that empty. Now instead of saying 1, I'm gonna get the user ID from the session. I'm gonna say session and then user underscore ID. User underscore ID, and that's it. And make sure that the key is user underscore ID, and here make sure again that the key is user underscore ID, and here make sure that the key is user underscore ID, because otherwise there will be a conflict between IDs and between keys, and you will not be able to get the user ID. Here we also have, I think we have here the user ID, which is this user ID, which is this one. So we don't have to change anything else. That's it, and everything is perfect.